First pick is the Bambu Lab A1. I picked this 3D printer because of its price tag, how easy it is to set up and use, and the print quality that it produces. The A1 has a compact design with a similar build volume to Bambu's Core XY machines. It's not quite as small as the A1 Mini, but you should have no problem fitting it comfortably on your desk, making it ideal for home and classroom use. One of the standout features of the A1 is its multi-material capability, which allows users to experiment with PLA, ABS, PETG, and even flexible filaments. This versatility can open up a world of possibilities for anyone who's looking to tackle new, exciting projects. And compared to other printers in its price range, the A1 is remarkably quiet. Its energy-efficient design also makes it an excellent option for extending printing sessions, so you can focus on your next project without worrying about noise or power consumption. Now let's talk about print quality. Thanks to its high-resolution nozzle and precision movement system, the Bambu Lab A1 can handle intricate designs effortlessly, offering a layer resolution as fine as 50 microns. When it comes to more technical materials like ABS, ABA, or polycarbonate, the Bambu Lab isn't the top of its class. But with PLA and PETA, the results are really good. And when I say good, I mean really good, even down to the finest detail. The Bambu Lab A1 is also equipped with features like auto bed leveling, which eliminates one of the most common pain points for most people. At the same time, the filament detection system ensures your prints don't fail if you run out of material, which, in my opinion, can be a lifesaver. Its intuitive touch interface and step-by-step setup process make it easy enough so that even a beginner can have it up and running in no time.